Welcome to my above ground lair. Hello, creatures of YouTube. It's Brian, aka the Blue Falcon, doing a video answering the age-old question that nobody has ever asked me. Is it true that old Marshalls actually do sound better cranked way the hell up? So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my 1988 Marshall JCM 800, run that into my Universal Audio aux box, and use the volume control on the amp all the way from 1 to 10, and I'm gonna adjust the gain so everything is the same volume, and you'll actually be able to hear with your own ears each different volume level at the same volume, if that makes any sense. I'm just gonna kind of in post, I'm just gonna make everything the same volume level, so all you're gonna hear is the difference in the tone as the amp actually gets turned up. So let's do it. Let's make it happen. Alright, so you heard it's on its own. That's all well and good, but can you really hear the difference when you have, the rest of the band in there with it? So what I'm gonna do is do the volume at 1, halfway up, and cranked all the way up with the rest of the band in there too, and see if you can really hear the difference when there's all that other stuff going on too. Let's find that out.